Hello guys, good morning. Today is the today is Thursday morning and I'm about to go to work na kasi kasi kailangan kumayod para sa kinabukasan. And I woke up around 6 a.m. supposedly. 5 sana ako gigising but kailangan medyo na-adjust yung schedule ko. And it's still pretty early, you know. It's 8 p.m. And then 8:40 yung start ng work ko. Pupunta kami sa first client namin. But now, a bit early. I mean, not really early, but may pupuntahan pa akong may pupuntahan pa akong like pharmacy kasi kailangan kong kunin yung medicine para sa isang client namin. So, pupunta na ako sa sasakyan ko talaga. Pumunta na ako sa car and then head over to that pharmacy. So now I'm closing my door. I'm going outside. Teka lang, let's check. Sobrang lamig ngayon. As always, super duper cool. And this is my car. Cute, isn't it? Cute ng car ko. Okay. Sobrang dumi. Igit. Bayan, natamaan pa tuloy. Tumama sa Oh dear. Sabi ko na nga ba, nakalimutan eh. Okay. So inside my car, and I'm going to turn it on. Yeah. Lamig. So in a few minutes, alis na ako. So, see you guys later. Kasi magtatrabaho pa si Dodong. Yun lang. Minsan hindi ako nakapag vlog kasi super duper busy sa work. But anyways, I'm trying as much as possible para maka-update sa page or sa channel ko. So see you guys later. So, hello guys, I'm here at the Castle Lane pharmacy to pick up the medicine for one of my clients. Here it is, Castle Lane Pharmacy. Hi, good morning. I'm here to pick up medicine for Violet.
Violet Webster?
Yes. Hello. Hello. Yes, I'm right. I'm here at the pharmacy to pick up the medicine. Yeah. So after this, I'm going to Violet. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yes. He told me last night. I'm sorry. Um, excuse me. Are all the tablets in there, or there's one missing? Is it?
I've got, yeah, the cyclazine I don't have at the moment. They're ampules, yeah?
There's one missing, like the ampules. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. Yes. All right. Okay. Yeah, I'll do that. Okay. Thank you. You're welcome. Bye.
It is ampules you're expecting, yeah?
They're expecting that all of them will be available, but she said it's all right. They'll pick it up later.
Do you know what else you're expecting? Because the only prescriptions I have for injections.
No, she's just asking if everything is available, and I told her that once it's not available, so she said it's okay. So. Righty then. So I got the what the heck? So I got the medicine for one of my patients. So now I'm going to my client's house para ibigay or i-deliver to doon. At saka serve na din. So I have to turn off the camera because I was trying to look for the address of the client. So yeah. So that's all for now, I guess. So magsa-start na ako mag-work late in a few minutes. And then yeah, uwi mamayang gabi na. So that's all, guys. That's all for now. See you guys later. Take care and babu.